Hello, welcome back to SKILLSART. My name is Leo. Today I'm gonna cover about how to set up TradingView so that you guys could implement all the strategies that we share with you guys. I'm gonna show you guys now on the computer how to set everything up. Okay, so open up your web browser, go on Google, or you could type it in on top, TradingView. And you wanna click on the official link, which is this one. All right, so this is TradingView. You want to log on here, and you'll click on this corner over here to sign up. All right. Once you go through like the whole sign up process, it's very simple. It's not too complex. You want to come over here to products, and you click on Charts Plus. Okay, so now here you're in the section where all the charting happens. The way that you find the tickers that you want to trade or the pairs, you got to click on this corner here, and you could type in whatever you're looking for. So say for example Tesla, TSA, you type it here and you'll see that there's different servers, NASDAQ, LSE, MIL. Yeah, based off what server your brokerage is using, you want to click on that one. So it could be the most accurate report. If you guys want to continue watching this video, subscribe to our website at skillsarts.com. We have more content and exclusive indicators that will help you succeed in the markets. Till next time.